Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
For a classic Filipino fruit salad, gather 1 can, 300 ml, condensed milk, 1 cup all-purpose cream and 1 cup evaporated milk, plus 2 cups drained fruit cocktail. Rinse and drain 1 cup nata de coco and 1 cup kayang. Dice 1 cup fresh pineapple into bite-sized pieces. Cut 1 cup apples into 1-inch cubes, have 1 cup seedless grapes, and grate 1/2 cup cheddar cheese for garnish. Chill fruit components so they stay firm when mixed. Start by whisking 1 can condensed milk with 1 cup all-purpose cream and 1 cup evaporated milk until smooth and slightly thickened. Taste, and if you prefer sweeter texture, add 1 to 2 tablespoons more condensed milk. Adjust gradually. Gently fold the drained fruit cocktail, diced apples, pineapple, nata de coco, kayang, and halved grapes into the dressing to avoid breaking fruit pieces. Sprinkle and fold in 1/2 cup grated cheddar cheese. Last for a sweet salty balance. After combining, refrigerate the assembled fruit salad for at least 2 hours so flavors meld and texture firms. Overnight is fine for deeper flavor. Serve in chilled bowls and garnish with extra grated cheddar cheese, a few whole grapes, or a single maraschino cherry proportion for color. If you want a lighter version, substitute half the condensed milk with 1/2 cup Greek yogurt and reduce sugar accordingly. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, and stir gently before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.